Spectrum Diversified Designs, a leader in innovative houseware products, faced the challenge of modernizing operations in their 400,000 square foot warehouse. Following a recent consolidation from 2 facilities into 1, they required enhanced optimization of existing processes to achieve greater efficiency. Seeking a solution that would integrate with their Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central ERP system, Spectrum partnered with Barcom to implement an inventory tracking and management solution to modernize operations and perform daily warehouse transactions with greater speed and fewer errors. Barcom recommended Honeywell mobile devices to improve accuracy and productivity in these areas. Cycle counting, picking and packing, receiving and putaway, shipping orders. Hundreds of orders processed daily with increased efficiency, streamlined workflows, improved order accuracy, greater customer satisfaction. The future of warehouse modernization is here. Ask us about the Honeywell CK67 ultra-rugged mobile computer and reach new levels of warehouse excellence.